When I used to read fairy tales, I fancied that kind of thing never happened. And now, here I am, in the middle of one. Elegance is not a dispensable luxury, but a quality that decides between success and failure. Dealing with failure is easy. Work hard to improve. Success is also easy to handle. You've solved the wrong problem. Work hard to improve. In programming, as in everything else, to be in error is to be reborn. The programmer, like the poet, works only slightly removed from pure thought stuff. She builds her castles in the air, creating by exertion of the imagination. Around computers, it is difficult to find the correct unit of time to measure progress. Some cathedrals took a century to complete. Can you imagine the grandeur and scope of a program that would take as long? Mountains should be climbed with as little effort as possible, and without desire. The reality of your own nature should determine the speed. If you become restless, speed up. If you become winded, slow down. You climb the mountain in an equilibrium between restlessness and exhaustion. Then, when you're no longer thinking ahead, each footstep isn't just a means to an end, but a unique event in itself. Real change, enduring change, happens one step at a time.